Hey y'all, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DeeJay. Okay, so it's that time of the month again. Yes, I am back at my ortho, getting my braces redid. I don't know what color I want to get. I've basically been every color since I've been in these damn braces for so long. But I don't know. Let's see. Here we go at the dentist place.
Nigga, run me my money. Bitch, run me my money. Run me my money. Nigga, run me my money. Bitch, run me my money. Run me my money. Yeah, cashed out.
What's your name? Victoria.
Alright guys, I'm officially done getting my braces tightened, changing the color. I don't know what color I'm gonna get this time. I like vibrant colors where you can see them. But alright, so off to go make this money. Hey y'all, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DeeJay. Okay, I am leaving my house, which I'm late leaving my house to go do my auntie's hair. I try to do my auntie's hair probably like once every month or every couple of months, depending on what I'm doing to her hair. And then I'm gonna go make some money. Yay! You know those bills never stops. Okay? So, let's get our day started. Oh, I also need to go pick up my rent and run a couple of errands. I don't know. It's gonna be a long day. That's what I do know. So let's go ahead and get it started. Alright guys, so I just arrived at my auntie's house. Now I'm waiting for her to open the damn door. Cause I was at the wrong door, most likely. Auntie, I was at the wrong door.
Yeah, we were in the front.
See?
There's a doorbell in the front now.
Oh, well remember last time
Yeah,
I was at the wrong door, so I was
Yeah.
like, oh shit. I'm always at the wrong door. Guess it don't matter. Alright guys, we're about to start. About to start my auntie's hair.
my mind.
Who slapping? It ain't me. Cause I been telling my auntie on your ass. Clue, bro.
I said
You ain't
5
gonna
in the
slap my
morning. I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get.
Guys, so I'm in my pajamas. I done took a shower. It is about that time for me to drink my nighttime. Okay, guys, I am really trying to stick with this damn weight loss. Also, I'm the best sister ever because I be letting my sister drive my car so she could go to work. What now? I'm so hungry. I'm doing macaroni and cheese, cornbread because I'm cheating right now. Okay, I got my water going. I'm about to fry some catfish. I got cabbage in the thing. Does anybody else put butter in their cornbread so it can be nice and moist and buttery? Or is it just me? Am I doing extras? Am I being extra? Oh, guys. Look at this. Go ahead. Chefing it up in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, y'all. That food was so freaking good. Okay? But because I'm on this weight loss journey, that plate is smaller than what I would normally eat. And I couldn't even finish that plate, baby. So I feel good about that. Go on. Let me lose some of this motherfucker's stomach. Okay? Me panta gotta go. It got to go. I don't want it no more. It got to go, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DeeJay. Okay, so right now I'm at the Dollar Tree grabbing stuff. I actually really don't remember why I came in here, but I came in here for a reason. Now, what it is, who knows, child. Every time I get in here, I can never remember what I actually come here for. So, we're going to shop around a little bit, see what's here, and go from there. This is my mini haul that I had got from the Dollar Tree. I really went in to get some envelopes and the Sharpie, but I had to get a new brush, some soap, dish soap, and some more pee-pee pads that I put under my other pee-pee pads for my dog. So, this is my little mini haul. Hey y'all, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DeeJay. Okay, y'all. FamBam. FamBam. I fucked myself up last night. See, that's it. See, I was about to say a drunk ain't shit, but I wasn't drunk. I was just tipsy. But a tipsy bitch ain't shit either, because why the fuck did I fall and hurt myself? My whole right side of my jaw is swollen, guys. It almost reminded me of the time that I went and got my wisdom teeth taken out, and my whole shit was just like... Anyways, I have no clue what I'm doing after work. I probably need to turn around and take an aspirin, actually. Because, baby, I fucked myself up. But you know that ain't gonna stop me. Okay, so it's me and Sky. Sky! We about to go pick up my sister and come back to the house. I got off of work earlier. Then I smoked the blunt. Now, I'm gonna go pick up my buka. Alright. Today's been a long day, but it's gonna be okay. I fucking hate the seatbelt, bro. Okay. Sky, why you gotta be so extra for? Why you gotta be so extra? Cause my mama extra. Hey y'all, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DeeJay. Okay, so right now I am about to be on my way to Hemet to go take my friend to her storage and see possibly what I might take from her storage, because baby, you know I love people with shopping editions. And then I gotta go to my uncle's house, which is the real reason why I'm going out there, so he can look at my car, so we can get my baby fixed. And then I might possibly go out tonight. Yeah, I know I got this little bunny tail in the back of my head, but it's gonna be all done up when I go out, because I don't step out recklessly. Okay? And just a little update, I am still drinking my drink. I've been slacking, y'all. I've been slacking because I really don't want to remake these drinks. They take so freaking long. So freaking long. But I need to get back on it. I need to make my more drinks. Take this. I'm slimming down a little bit. Maybe start walking. Definitely get back in the gym. So that's still another goal of mine that I wanted to do and accomplish this month. So I mean, we'll see. Bitches whipping chicken like a Roscoe. Niggas face tatted like baby bomb and Bosco. In my city, niggas judge you for what you got. Supposed to be working. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you every day. Y'all, we is about to eat good in the neighborhood. My friend, me. Y'all know I need a big boy bag. Okay, I tried that little boy bag the last time, baby. I was hungry like feed the children. Look at my friend. My friend brought me some Jack. Honey. Yeah. Looks like a homeless shop. 12 years a slave. That's how crazy my hair looks.
Pretty much whatever.
I think he got here.
What's going on with that? Appreciate it. Not the usual, man. She doing her, I'm just doing me.
Run back. Oh, that first one was rough though.
To be the sponsor.
The sponsor of 1738 Coca-Cola.
And the red bisnaisity.
Okay.
You got my heart, it won't let go. I ain't gonna let you take control.
What, friend? Get it, bitch. Hey. What? Good morning. Welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DeeJay. Okay. Got my little curls back, huh? Yeah, y'all thought I was just gonna be a bald-headed hoe, huh? Anyways, I'm taking my sister, Puka. Right now, we going on an adventure. Where are we going? Far away. Alright, y'all. Let me stop quoting Dora. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DeeJay. Okay, it's Valentine's Day. This little filter is cute or whatever. But, baby, I just got off of work and rolled 2 blunts. That's Mando, because I'm about to face some both. Okay. Gotta work tomorrow, but you know how that is. Your girl works to get what I want. It's just, I have to do it. Okay, not unless there's a sugar daddy out there. Okay, let me know.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.